Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to mass upload content on Twitter, X. We'll use a powerful automation tool that allows you to manage multiple Twitter accounts and post in bulk. Step 1, go to the account management section. Here you can add and manage as many Twitter accounts as you want. Make sure to attach a proxy to each account so everyone has a unique IP for extra security. Next, head over to Content Management, create a category and start adding your posts. You can upload text-only tweets or attach images and even videos. Just click at Post and choose your media. You can also use AI to generate tweets. Just enter your OpenAI key and describe the tone and content. Once your content is ready, go to the Viral Marketing section and choose Post Tweet. Select the content category you created, set the number of posts, and add hashtags or user tags if needed. You can configure everything, how many threads to run, whether to like, comment, or retweet after posting. You can even use spin structure to randomize your tweet content and avoid detection. Now it's time to choose your accounts and click Start. The software will launch a secure browser for each account. Every account uses a different Chrome session with a unique proxy, so your posts are safe and undetectable. Once the upload starts, you'll see your content being posted live to Twitter X. It's fast, secure, and perfect for marketers who want to scale their presence on Twitter. If you want to learn more or get this tool, contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Details are pinned in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Now let's talk about the benefits of mass posting on Twitter and why you should start today. Mass posting helps you stay active 24/7, boosting visibility across different time zones and audiences. It saves time. Instead of posting manually every day, you can schedule content for weeks in advance. With bulk posting, you increase your chances of going viral. More tweets means more opportunities for engagement. It's perfect for managing multiple niches or accounts at once, giving your brand maximum coverage. And finally, it creates a consistent posting routine, which is key for growing and retaining followers.